Hello, dear friends. In this video, we will review settings and look closer to the Purchase tab. We see three additional tabs: Status Control, Order Properties, and Supplier Groups. Here you can set the statuses by which orders will be processed, create types of orders, and create supplier groups by combining them into one criterion, for example, paints. Starting with Status Control, in this tab, you see a list of statuses that the system initially offers on the right side. You can use these or create your own statuses. However, there are built-in statuses in the system that you cannot edit, such as requisition/master, send to office, ordered, delivered, ready, and closed. If you want to create your own status, click the Create New button, then specify the status name in the title field and click the Save button. You will see your created status in the status list on the right side of the screen. Selecting your or the system's suggested status on the left side allows you to configure it. You can change the status name, change its color, set whether it will be used during order processing by marking the enabled checkbox or unchecking it, and also configure whether the Send Back button will be available for this status or not. Additionally, for each status, you can configure which actions will be available, which columns will be displayed, which fields can be edited, and which fields must be filled out. After all changes, don't forget to click Save to ensure all data is saved. The next tab, Order Properties, allows you to view and configure each type of request. Initially, the system offers three types of orders that are built in: deck order, mechanic order, and service order. Just like with statuses, you can use these or create your own types of orders. To create your own order type, you need to click the Create button and then provide the information for the request. Initially, in the title field, you must enter the order name. In the header-footer window, you should also specify the printing information such as print title, left footer top, right footer top, and other fields. You can also upload a logo for printing. Below the header-footer window, you can configure which columns will be displayed in the printout by adding the corresponding fields to the right column. You can also add fields for each type of request to fill out information about the request itself. After that, you only have the short name field left, where you specify the abbreviation for this type of request that the system will use. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button so that all changes are saved in the system. If you want to view or edit any type of order, you need to select the order type from the order field and click the Load button. The system will load all the information for this type, where you can then view and edit it if necessary. The last tab, Supplier Group, allows you to create or edit already created supplier groups. For example, if you have suppliers providing the same services, you can send a request to the whole group instead of sending it manually to each supplier, which will greatly simplify and speed up your work. To create a supplier group or subgroup, you need to click the corresponding button and specify the group name in the open window. Don't worry if you specified the wrong group or added a subgroup incorrectly, as you can edit the name at any time by clicking Edit Name or delete the group or subgroup. Later, in the Supplier module, you will be able to attach the corresponding suppliers to each group. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.